In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate Google Slides. When people say rotate Google Slides, they usually mean switching the slide orientation between landscape and portrait. In Google Slides, you do that by changing the page dimensions, not by turning the slide like a picture. The key idea is simple. Swap the width and height numbers and the orientation flips. Start with your presentation open. At the very top left, click File. This opens the main menu where all the document settings live. From there, go down to Page Setup. Page Setup is where Google Slides controls the size of your slides, including presets and custom dimensions. It affects the entire deck, so any change you make here applies to all slides in the presentation. When the Page Setup window appears, look for the size options and choose Custom. Custom lets you type the exact measurements you want, and it's where you'll make the orientation change. You'll see two boxes, one for width and one for height, along with a unit selector. Depending on your region, the units might be in inches, centimeters, or points. The units aren't critical here. What matters is swapping the two numbers. Now, swap the values. If your slide currently reads something like 10 by 6.25, that's a landscape orientation. To switch to portrait, simply reverse those numbers and make it 6.25 by 10. If you ever want to go back to landscape, switch them again to 10 by 6.25. You're not changing the content yet, just telling Google Slides how to frame the canvas. This quick swap is what flips the orientation while keeping the same overall proportions, just turned the other way. Once the numbers are set, click Apply. The entire presentation will immediately update to the new orientation. Take a moment to review a few slides. Because the canvas shape changed, some text boxes, images, or charts may need a little nudging to look their best in the new layout. Nothing is lost. You might just want to realign or resize a few elements so they fit the new shape cleanly. That's all there is to it. Click File, go to Page Setup, choose Custom, swap the width and height, and click Apply. With this quick method, you can confidently switch between landscape and portrait anytime your presentation needs a different look or better fits a particular screen or print format.